Intelligence. What would be the most precious human faculty? It is the thinking ability, intelligence. Why? Because it is the key to all other faculties. When I ponder on something until I understand it, until it has become transparent and clear, I own it. In thought, I am already one with it. What would be an intelligent use of intelligence? To direct it toward itself. Why? When I direct my thinking toward understanding, until understanding understands itself, I may discover the self as such. The point from which all creation arises, itself uncreated and imperishable. The one and single point in all of beingness that cannot be further explained and does not need to be, because it rests in itself. This is what we all are at our core. Primordial ground of being.